Yes, your answer is correct. 0 is the smallest whole number. My second question from class 2nd. What is the biggest two-digit number? Yes, your answer is correct. 99 is the biggest two-digit number. My third question is from class 3rd. How many sides does a triangle have? Yes, your answer is correct. Triangle have 3 sides. My fourth question from class 4th. What type of angle is 65 degrees? Yes, your answer is correct. 65 degrees is an acute angle. My fifth question from class 5th. What is the smallest prime number? Yes, your answer is correct. 2 is the smallest prime number. My sixth question from class 6th. What is the circumference of a circle? I repeat my question. What is the circumference of a circle? Yes, your answer is correct. The circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. My seventh question from class 7. What is the formula of Pythagoras theorem? I repeat my question. What is the formula of Pythagoras theorem? The correct answer is hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. My eighth question from class 8. What is the algebraic identity of a minus b whole square? I repeat my question. What is the algebraic identity of a minus b whole square?
A square minus 2ab.
Yes, your answer is correct. The algebraic identity of a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. My ninth question from class 9. In which form a rational number should be represented?
P by Q.
Yes, your answer is correct. A rational number should be represented in the form of p by q where q is not equal to 0. My 10th question from class 10. How many tangents can a circle have? I repeat my question. How many tangents can a circle have? Yes, your answer is correct. There can be infinite number of tangents in a circle. My 11th question from 11th class. What is the sign for value of cosec trigonometric ratio in fourth quadrant?